We are going to make an acai smoothie with 2 simple steps using our organic shelf-stable liquid acai. I'm going to use the blender to measure. I'm going to put about 100 ml, which is the same size as a pack of acai, the frozen packs that we're used to buy. By the way, our organic acai is 20 servings. I'm going to add half a banana. And also I'm going to add some almond milk. I'm going to add about 100 ml of almond milk. I'm going to use my blender to measure. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter so we can have extra protein in our smoothie today. Nice and simple. I'm ready to blend and serve. We are now done. Feel free to add some ice cubes if you want it a little bit colder. I like my acai with no ice cubes, so I'm ready to serve. Look at the smooth consistency, the creaminess, and the beautiful color. I love the peanut butter taste of this smoothie. Delicious.